YouTube channel, right? Lookout Racing?
Yeah, I got your sticker right
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got 100 with you. Hey, yeah, I want to bet. Oh yeah, he got the stick on that bitch. Hey man. Beagle 72, yeah, I got both cars out the shop. Hey, 100 more over here on the truck. 100 more. He ain't ready yet. He ain't ready yet. Yeah, don't get your converter hot. Here he come. Here he come. Oh yeah. Ah, he done broke down. See, I told him I had 100 on him. He cut an outstanding light for me. They cut a good ass light. He was trying to get that 100 for me. Yeah, he was trying to win that 100 for me. Yeah, man. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Oh yeah. Oh wee, boy, that Sprite still good. I needed that. Let me see what else I need. Here, y'all can do me. Oh, I thought that was something else, man. I thought y'all was getting ready. Scott, you hating, ain't you? Scott don't be hating, do he? At Realest Bigs, that's somebody new. Okay, what I'm gonna have to do, I gotta go get me another charger. Y'all wanna do it? Yeah, let me do it now. Let me go get another charger now, so both of them. Nothing much. Cause I got Android that went down to 19, iPhone that went down to 13. So let me go ahead and take them off. That's how my live ended up messed up last time and didn't come back online for 2 days because of what I'm doing right now. I hope I got a extra charger in here. There go that Lookout Racing flag right there, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, we gonna move it though. Bob Ross, look out. What the fuck? You're playing my goddamn windshield wiper. Oh, I got an extra charger, right? I need this charge. Okay, big. Got me an extra. Alright, y'all. Look like we in business. I got an extra charger for y'all. I already appreciate it, mister. I'm gonna be back over there. Charger, so we good. Yeah, we in Texas, Christina, Tim. What size you got, Christina? Yeah, that bitch real loud. All my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all hurry up and come to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yes, Lookout Racing. I got it showing in HD, widescreen. Yeah, they getting that glue down now. They finna do one more burnout, y'all. All my TikTokers, y'all, gonna get over here on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing.